Hey guys! Welcome back. It's Rachel. Today we are doing another installment of the Naked series. This is the Naked Cherry. This is the second to last one. The last one we are doing is Naked Honey, and to be quite honest, I have not used this yet, so when I do use it, maybe, I don't know, maybe I might use it now that I'm talking about it. Anyhow, I don't know, maybe I might use it, I don't know, but most likely it will be the first time I'm using it on camera. But for today we are doing Naked Cherry. I'm gonna kind of do like a very wearable soft rose look with this. That's one of my most favorite things to do with this. I have already applied my eye primer, which is the Tiramira one that I feel like I pronounce it wrong every time. No one's corrected me yet, so I don't really know. So the first thing that we're going to start out with is I want to brighten up the eyelid, and we're just gonna jump right in, and we're gonna take the shade Juicy right here. And I'm going to take this and pretty much put it all over our lid and then blend it into the crease. I'm building this up, and then it's going to blend away once we add more color, so I'm kind of trying to be a little bit more dramatic with it. That is Juicy all over. Maybe I'm playing spring vibes, I don't really know. But the next shade that I'm going to take is the shade right next to Juicy, and that is called Feels. Right here. Feels. And we are going to build that up in the crease. And just kind of lightly build it, because it's going to build quite nicely over the top of Juicy because of the color that's already there. Kind of a Valentine's-y look, maybe. I don't know if you really like want pink. I don't really know. So the next shade that I'm going to take is I'm going to jump into one of the darker kind of rosy-ish tones, and it's like burgundy-ish, and it's devilish. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to place it close to the lash line here. And bring it and pull it into the crease. So I'm just picking up a tiny bit more, and then I'm just going to blend it. But I wanted it really close to the lash line to add that definition. And I have yet to conceal. You can see I have some beautifulness here, but there's a lot of fallout right here because I'm working so close to my lash line that the product is just getting fluffed off through my lashes. So not that the eyeshadow itself is really like fallouty. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, and this is like a big fluffy brush. I think it's a Wish brush, I don't know, but I am just blending. So I think for basically our last step per se is I'm going to pick up this shade called Bang Bang and place it in the center. Now I'm going back in with Devilish with a kind of a more fluffy brush. I was using a more detailed kind of pencil brush so I could put it closer to my lash line. But now I'm going to just take a fluffier brush and build that up a bit just to add that darkness and shade a little bit more towards the center. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to take the shade Hot Shot, and I'm going to lighten up my brows and clean up a bit up the top. Up here. Just lighten that up a bit. Now I'm taking my sponge that I use my foundation with, and I am just kind of picking up some of the shadow that's on my lower lash line, so I'm not like mixing a bunch with concealer. So the thing I'm using is CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I have taken the stopper out, and there is not very much left, which I'm glad about because I almost kind of find myself getting bored of things when I've been using them for so long, and I'm just like, why are you still here and why don't you just run out already? Sometimes I feel like there's almost too much product in something that you can't realistically, not even just for like me in the situation that I'm in or the the community's in, but like an everyday makeup user, you know. Sometimes I feel like that, but then again, I could just be saying that through my perspective because I use makeup differently than the norm. I don't really know what I was trying to say there. Okay, powder. So this is kind of a sneak peek into my project pan that I was doing. I feel like I'm making a little bit more progress on it. I wouldn't say it's the greatest, but this is the first thing I've actually had pan on. But to be quite honest, I started with stuff that basically had no pan at all. So it's going to take me a little while, and I'm doing updates slowly, but other than that, this is what I got. So I am using this Revlon Colorstay powder. It's not cruelty-free, and I am just using this with a e.l.f. powder brush, and it's probably one of my most favorite brushes for powder. It just feels so good. I'm also going to do a video coming up here. I just have to kind of go through and find every single one and get them in a category, you know, make sure I have them all ready to go, of a favorite e.l.f. brushes, because I have quite a bit. As I've been doing my makeup, I've been kind of noticing, like, that's an e.l.f. brush too, that's an e.l.f. brush too. So, alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on and my eyeliner, and I will be right back. But I'm using the Flower Lash Warrior mascara, which is really, really a good one. And then this Ica one that I'm trying to finish up, which I think is kind of getting a little bit done. But I shall be right back. So we have our mascara and liner on. I just did a very tiny bit of liner, just a tiny bit, just a little tiny bit, mostly for the lashes. So I'm going to use all the stuff. I'm going to use stuff only for my project pan, and this is kind of a tiny mini update, but I will do another one in a different video. So the bronzer that I'm going to use, or the contour, is this Revlon bronzing powder, which was really, really popular, and then it was only out for a tiny bit. I'm not sure. Revlon seems to tend to do that, but I'm not. Anyway, I'm going to use this with a Eco Tools with a Real Techniques brush. And put some here. And the blush that I'm going to use is a Benefit Dandelion. For highlighter, I am using Revlon's highlighter. I have a lot of Revlon in my project pan because I used to really, really love Revlon products, and which is really weird because they're not like, I don't really come out with like a super awesome stuff all the time, and when they do, it's only out, like, don't fall in love with it because it's not going to be around for a long time. I would say their lipsticks and their nail polishes are their most consistent. Like, I used to love their nail polishes so much that I still have it. I'm not going to just get rid of it, but I just loved their nail polishes. They used to come out with like collections and stuff, and it was really, really fun. Not so much anymore. Sorry, Revlon. I'm so sorry, but not really. For lips, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick, and this is in the shade A Touch of Nude. It's actually one of my most favorite nudes. It seems like it's really, really dark, but it actually kind of goes on way lighter, so. And then maybe we need a gloss. And I am going to take this gloss from Essence, which is the Shine Shine Shine, which are one of my most favorite ones. And I'm just going to take some here on the back of my hand. These are real sticky if you don't really like that, but I kind of don't really care, so I'm just going to take this. And so that was our tutorial with the Naked Cherry from Decay. I don't know why I had to look. I already know what it is. Anyhow. So that was the tutorial with the Naked Cherry. I will link all the other tutorials that I did with the Naked palettes recent. And that is the end of this video with the Naked Cherry. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I will link all the other videos in this series down below. If you guys did like this one, you could check out the other ones. And for the next video will be the Naked Honey, which is super pretty. And alright, so I will let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos of mine, because I'm here. Hello, over here in the corner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.